You're Invited by Jon Levy is a captivating book that explores the power of creating exceptional experiences and the art of crafting unforgettable events. The author, Jon Levy, is an expert in event design and has been involved in organizing some of the most talked about parties and gatherings in the world. Throughout the book, he shares his insights, strategies, and techniques for creating events that not only entertain, but also foster meaningful connections, build communities, and drive personal and professional growth. The book is divided into several sections, each focusing on a different aspect of event design and hosting. The first section, titled The Power of Invitation, discusses the importance of creating a sense of exclusivity and desirability around an event. Levy explains that by making people feel special and valued, you can create a community of like-minded individuals who are eager to attend and participate in your events. He shares several examples of successful invitation strategies, including the use of intriguing themes, personalized invitations, and unique venues. The second section, The Art of Curation, delves into the process of selecting the right mix of people, activities, and experiences for an event. Levy emphasizes the importance of diversity in creating a vibrant and engaging environment. He provides tips on how to identify key personalities, foster introductions, and design activities that encourage interaction and collaboration. The author also discusses the role of technology in event curation, highlighting the use of social media, mobile apps, and other digital tools to enhance the guest experience. The third section, The Science of Fun, explores the psychology behind what makes events enjoyable and memorable. Levy draws on research from fields such as neuroscience and behavioral economics to explain how certain elements, like surprise, novelty, and social interaction, can trigger positive emotions and create lasting memories. He offers practical advice on incorporating these elements into event design, such as using unexpected venues, incorporating surprise guests, and designing interactive games and activities. The fourth section, The Architecture of Connection, focuses on the role of environment and design in facilitating meaningful connections between people. Levy discusses the importance of creating a comfortable, welcoming space that encourages guests to mingle and engage with one another. He provides examples of innovative event designs, such as speed dating formats, open bar configurations, and interactive installations that have successfully fostered connections and sparked new collaborations. The fifth section, The Magic of Moments, delves into the art of creating unforgettable experiences that leave a lasting impact on guests. Levy emphasizes the importance of paying attention to detail and focusing on the little things that can make a big difference. He shares stories of events where seemingly insignificant moments, like a well-timed joke or a heartfelt gesture, have created lasting memories and strengthened relationships. The author also discusses the role of storytelling in event design, explaining how crafting a compelling narrative can enhance the overall experience and make it more memorable. The sixth and final section, The Business of Inclusion, explores the broader implications of event design and hosting beyond personal connections and professional growth. Levy argues that events can be powerful tools for social change and advocacy, as they provide a platform for underrepresented voices and perspectives to be heard. He offers advice on how to create inclusive events that are accessible to all, and discusses the importance of diversity and representation in event design. Throughout the book, Levy uses numerous examples and case studies to illustrate his points, drawing on his extensive experience organizing events for a variety of clients and industries. These examples range from intimate dinner parties to large-scale conferences and festivals, each demonstrating the versatility and adaptability of his strategies and techniques. In addition to these real-world examples, Levy also includes interviews with other event experts and thought leaders, who share their insights and perspectives on various aspects of event design and hosting. These interviews provide valuable additional context and reinforce the key concepts presented in the book. In conclusion, You're Invited by Jon Levy is an essential read for anyone interested in creating exceptional events that not only entertain, but also foster meaningful connections, build communities, and drive personal and professional growth. The book is filled with practical advice, innovative ideas, and inspiring stories that will help readers elevate their event design skills and become more effective hosts and organizers. Whether you're planning a small gathering or a large-scale event, the strategies and techniques outlined in this book are sure to prove invaluable.